Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will check on the topic Advanced CSS Selectors. Advanced CSS Selectors allows us to locate elements even when they don't have IDs or unique classes. Using CSS, we can target elements by their attributes, their position, and their relationship to other elements. This is extremely useful in modern applications like Cogmento, where HTML is dynamic and elements change frequently. In real automation framework, advanced CSS selectors are used to create stable and readable locators that survive UI changes. Here in the previous example, we have seen how we are using the CSS selector. If you see in the CSS selector, we are using multi-class, which means this is an advanced version of CSS selector where we are using combination of all the hierarchy of that particular element. And we have seen how, in the dev tools, how to find this particular locator also. So what this will do is Selenium locates the email field and using the attribute based on CSS selector, we have provided email and it locates the password field in the same way. And also it clicks on the login button and using the CSS selector built from multiple classes. This also shows that CSS selectors can precisely target elements in complex web pages. Why complex web pages? Because in the element, if you see, when we try to run the page, when we try to enter the email and password, if you see this particular element doesn't have any information or the attribute more attribute properties. This has to be actually in button tag or it should have an ID element to find that particular login button. Since if you see the properties are class, we have used the class properties using the div tag and the same is used div.ui.fluid.large. So whenever we are accessing a particular element using the class, we use dot property and same is been used. So advanced CSS selectors can precisely target elements in complex web pages. Advanced CSS selectors gives you precision and stability. In the next video, we will start learning the XPath, which will be mostly used across the web applications. So we'll get ready.